Hello Mid-Michigan, I'm Luisa Vivgora and I'm right outside our station here at West St. Joseph Street near Interstate 496, and we are looking at a lot of snow right now, and even more is expected to come down until tomorrow night. And the Michigan State Police is recommending a few strategies to stay safe. They say that if you must go outside, to bundle up and to avoid overexertion when shoveling snow or pushing a car. They recommend watching for signs of frostbite, which include loss of feeling or pale appearance of fingers, toes or the face. And to watch for signs of hypothermia, which include uncontrollable shivering, memory loss, drowsiness and exhaustion. Lansing Mayor Andy Shore declared a snow emergency until 7 p.m. tomorrow night. This means parking on streets, even in residential areas, is prohibited to allow for snow plowing. Now, the Michigan Department of Transportation is clearing roads. They told us yesterday how they prepared.
Normally, if we know a big storm's coming, we'll go through and we'll make sure all the trucks are in good shape as far as all the fluid levels, any wear items like the underbody blades, we'll make sure they're good to go, and if they're not, we'll get them changed.
If you are taking public transport today, make sure to check our website for CATA's updated routes. Stay warm and stay tuned for continuing weather coverage on Fox 47 News.